Hello, so if you want to earn more codes that will make you earn more money with the HeyCash, which allows you to input and code. So what I should advice to you is that you should check on the HeyCash hidden bonus code. There are actually a lot of bonus code that is going on in the internet. We have the Reddit, we have the Facebook, we also have the YouTube, of course, and we also have this is the one of my most favorite websites of all time, which is the github.com, which you have a certain or a lot of bonus codes, including HeyCash and others. You just need to search on what type of website or app you need the code to, and it will have a set of codes that you want with that certain app.